Today I finally finished my garden slash storage shed, and I think it's come up pretty good. And this is what the garage looks like. Excuse the mess, still haven't cleaned up the backyard. The garage has come up pretty straight actually. Very few waves down the sides of the walls. A slight curve there, but that's nothing too much to worry about. A good pitch there on the roof to let the rain run off. It's well fixed down to the steel frame, so hopefully it shouldn't blow away in high winds or anything like that. Meets up nice and straight with the back part of the shed. That's where you can see where I need a piece of flashing along there. I do have some, I'll just have to put it on. That'll be a job for tomorrow. And I'll show you inside. It will be a little bit dark because I haven't got the lights set up yet, but I've got a fair bit of room in here now. It's 3 metres across this way and 5.5 metres from here to here. So 3 metres by 5.5 long, which should give me a lot of storage space. The ride-on lawnmower is going to go in here as well. The push mower and all the other garden implements. Sets of shelves maybe along this wall here as well. And probably maybe stack the firewood up against this wall. I may have to use a bit more space because there is a lot of firewood I've got to cut up. And I'm just going to put 2 LED light bars up here, and I'll do that when I go to rewire the shed. Okay, that's it from me and my new shed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.